Billy Bolt came into this penultimate round of the FIM SuperEnduro World Championship knowing that if results went his way, he could walk away with the crown. Colton Haker was the early pace setter in the opening Prestige final. However, Bolt went through, and then Tadej Mazusiak, with this crash, a broken wrist, his SuperEnduro season over. Johnny Walker was holding on to third place ahead of Cody Webb. Their replay, this is the moment again. Mazusiak, the impact on the bars, and his wrist just gave way. So while Billy Bolt set the pace out in front, it was again the likes of Haker and Webb and Walker who were battling away for the scraps. Webb was closing in on Walker, and it looked perhaps that Webb was going to have arguably his best round until this moment when Walker had a problem, and through went Cody Webb. Billy Bolt, though, faultless yet again. Another victory, another step closer to that world title. The reverse grid, and Billy Bolt at the back just taking it easy. However, he hit the TM machine in front of him. Down he went, so he was in last place. Colton Haker again with a cracking start. Cody Webb in second place. The two Americans setting the pace out in front. Meanwhile, further back, Billy Bolt was trying to make his way up through the order, picking the riders off one by one. Johnny Walker was in third place. And then Bolt was closing until this moment. Bolt back on his bike again. Haker out in front. But guess what? It became the Billy Bolt show. He went past Walker, he went past Webb, and then he went past the race leader and his Husqvarna teammate, Colton Haker. And he took an incredible victory from last place to first. The guy is a legend. All Billy Bolt had to do in the third and final race was finish ahead of Johnny Walker to confirm he would be world champion. With Walker and Haker who set the pace, Billy Bolt content in the early stages just to follow, not take any risks, just make sure he stayed in the hunt. Billy Bolt just bided his time, then he made this classic move, 2 for the price of 1. Goes past Haker and Walker to go from third to first, and Billy Bolt proving why he is a worthy world champion. Cody Webb would end up with a DNF, a night to forget for the American and the former world champion. Ahead of him it was Colton Haker and Johnny Walker. That was the moment for Billy Bolt. But Bolt had enough time in hand to recover. And as I was saying, Johnny Walker and Colton Haker battling away for second place. But Billy Bolt was the man that they all had their eyes on, until this moment, of course, when Haker and Walker got trapped up together. But Billy Bolt took the checkered flag and the World Championship. He can't be caught, a 66-point advantage going into the final round. Billy Bolt is champion for 2022. So Billy Bolt on the top of the podium, and they have one more round to go.